The Lotus Evija, positioned as the pioneering fully electric British supercar, boasts a hefty price tag of over $2 million per unit, and a limited worldwide production of just 130 models. However, despite these exclusivities, orders are pouring in for this revolutionary feat of engineering that embodies the true essence of Lotus. With a staggering 2,000 horsepower generated from its 4 electric motors, the Evija's striking design leverages extensive airflow through massive ducts to enhance its aerodynamics. The interior exudes a minimalist and futuristic aesthetic, while its weight of approximately 3,700 pounds is kept in check by a carbon fiber chassis frame. The Evija accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, setting a new benchmark for performance. With a top speed of over 200 miles per hour and a range of more than 250 miles, the Evija reigns supreme in the supercar realm. Watch the full episode of our best hypercars in 2023, herein.